Arshad Sharif was a very well-established journalist here with ARY Network. He was considered to be sympathetic to the former Prime Minister Imran Khan and the PTI political party. And for this, he faced severe harassment, and eventually he was fired from the network as a result of the fallout from this. Now, what we have seen over many years is a pattern of journalists being out of favor. For example, Hamid Mir was banned for many months. So it's very unfortunate that this journalist felt threatened and had to leave the country. There's a fundamental, long-standing problem facing the Pakistani media. According to the research of the Committee to Protect Journalists, there were 32 journalists murdered since 1992. Of those 32, there has been no case of complete justice for the killers. And what you have found, for example, the attack on Hamid Mir in 2014, no one was ever brought to justice. There are many other cases that makes it very difficult for Pakistan's media to be free. I admire many Pakistani journalists. There are many talented, hardworking, and brave journalists who are fighting for press freedom and fighting to report the news without interference. That said, there's a long history of journalists coming under attack in this country in various ways. The methods of restricting what they do have varied over time. Many of the media companies are under pressure from both advertising from the government and indirect calls from officials to limit their coverage. Journalists who are outspoken are often ending up losing their positions and having to flee the country. So it is a very concerning situation all around. When I was stopped, I was held for 8 hours at the airport. I think it was a misunderstanding. The Minister of the Interior had issued me a visa, but the officers at the airport did not know that I was not to be blocked. So it took some time to sort this out. I don't think what happened to me is a direct reflection on restrictions on the media here. But certainly when I arrived in 2019 and I was forced to return home immediately, I think that is a more telling issue. And I'm very pleased that I was allowed to enter the country and to attend the conference and to speak freely.